Hello children, now 4th class mathematics 5th chapter. What is our 5th chapter? How much more, how much less? You know more, how much less? See here. How much more, how much less? Now the teacher hang the beads chain in the class and wrote the problem on the blackboard. Teacher asked to the children to use the beads chain to find the answer to the problem. Here giving problem 12 plus 28. 12 plus 28. Children started and solving the problem in different ways on the beads chain. See here teacher giving beads chain and she wrote one problem and some problem will given. Children started solving the problem in different ways. See here Sudha did like this. Sudha 12 plus 8. See here this 10 beads and adding 2. 12 to 8. 8 adding 10 plus 10. 28 only. 10 plus 10, 28. 28. 8 adding first. After 10 adding. Next 10 adding. So answer will come. Understand? Now she wrote 12 plus 28 equals to 12 plus 8 plus 10 plus 10. This like only she wrote. So equals to here to here. Here 10, 20, 30, 40. 40 only came. So Karuna which like will doing? Karuna did it like this only. Karuna here 12. 12th bit to first she add 10, next add 10, next add 8. Same answer only 40. 12 plus 10 plus 10 plus 8. She did like this only. Next Rajendra. Rajendra did it like this. Here see here 12 and 20 adding and plus 8. So 12 plus 28 he wrote 12 plus 20 plus 8. So now solve the following on the beads chain in whichever can you want to and state the sum and also write. See in which is the easy way? Which one is the easy way? See? Which one is the easy way? This one is easy way and this one is easy way. Okay, now we'll start. Okay, children? Now 34. 34 plus 16. How much? 16. So here count children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 beads. Here also 10. 20 plus 10. 30. 1, 2, 3, 4. 34th bead here having 34. Now we'll add 16 only. 16 means first of all write this like only 34 plus 6 plus 10. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 will adding plus 6 again 10. This all 10 only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here to here 10. So now the number is 34. Here 40 will completed. Here to 50. So Here 50. See children, 34 plus 6 plus 10 will adding means 50. Understand? $50. Now, are you finishing? So, write children, just like only add it. Finishing? Only pencil to draw. Don't use pen. Some mistake will going means the book will dirty only having. So, pencil to draw. Next. 25 plus 23. Here 25 plus 23. Which like will adding? 25 plus 10 will adding. Easy way only. 10 plus 10 plus 3. Easy way only. So the upside will write 10 plus 10 plus 3. So here now 25 plus 10. Let count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here 2, here 10. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here 2, here 10. Plus 10 plus 10. 20 will completed. Next 3. 1, 2, 3. Adding. Add 3. Where to? Plus 3. Understand? See children now. Okay. Understand children now? Here 2, here 10, 20 plus 3, 23. Understand? See now. Now 41 plus 23. 41 plus 23. Where having 41? Here 41 having. So 41 to 23. Add first of all 41 plus 10 plus 10 plus 3. We'll add it now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here to 10. So here to 10 add 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here to add 10. Next 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 3. Add 3. Okay, now how much? Here till 50. Here 60. 61, 62, 63, 64. So which bit? 64th. 64. 41 plus 23 equals to how much? 64. How much more? Understand? See now. This one 53 plus 12. See here 53 bead and 12. 53 plus 10 plus 2. 53. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here to 10, add 10 plus 2, 1, 2, add 2. So here, which bit here till here to 60 will completed, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. 65. 53 plus 12, 65. Understand? Understand, children? Complete it. So, complete it. Completed, children? Now, next page. Next page. The teacher then wrote this problem on the board. 37 minus 19. Children solved the problem differently on the beads chain. Sudha did it like this. See here. Then before only we did addition. Okay. Addition to this side only going. Here to here will adding. Here to here will adding. Now here subtraction. Understand? Children solved the problem differently on the bead chain. Same here. Sudha did it like this only. See here, 37 minus 19. In addition to here will adding. But subtraction to in these two subtracting. Understand? Minus 19 means minus 2 minus 7 minus 10. 37 minus 10 minus 7 minus 2. Like this way only. 37 minus 10 minus 7 minus 2. Now, Karuna did it like this only. See children, 10, 7, 2. Adding means 19 only. 10 plus 7, 17. 17 plus 2, 19. Understand children? So, next Karuna did like this only. 37 minus 20, 20 and plus 1 adding. Understand? 19 means minus 20 plus 1. So, minus 20 plus 1 means minus 19 only. Minus 20 will doing and add 1. So, here 18. First she did minus 20. Here will come. But 1 adding. Here will come. Here plus 1 adding means 18. Understand? Now here. Now solve the bead chain. Whichever way you want to see the difference and write. Which way you want? You write, okay? Here 42 minus 12 having. 42 minus here 42 minus 12 minus 10 minus 2. 42 here having. So now count minus 10. Not here. Adding means this side to will go. Subtraction means here to will go. Minus 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here till here to here. Minus 10 and minus 2. Here to here minus 2. See here which bead this bead? Which bead? Again you count. This bead is a. Okay children. In this bead too some mistake will given. You observe children. Here 10, 20, 30, 40. 42 only having here. Here giving 1, 2, 3. 43 bead 2 only given. So, you cut this. Here this bead 2 will take. Understand? Here this bead. This one wrong children. This only 42. Understand? 42 bead. This one only. So, here 2 will start 42. Let them now count. minus 10. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Here subtract minus 10 and minus 2. So this number is 10 20 30. 30. Understand children? 30. So write small 30. Next one 35 minus 27. 35 minus 27. 35 minus 7 minus 10 minus 10. Understand here? So first of all minus 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Here 2 2 3 4 5. Here also given sixth bid only. Here fifth bid. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7th bid. This also mistake given. 36th bid to given. You write 35th bid to. Here 2. Here 7 minus 7. Now minus 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Here minus 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Here minus 10. How much? How much come? See, 35 minus 27. How much? Which bid now? 35 minus 27. Minus 7 minus 10 minus 10. This one is the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Eighth bid is 8. So 8. Understand children now? 35 minus 27 equals to 8. So remaining this, you do this problem. Next one, next class to explaining I am.